Hello, Chef here. So I've got this beautiful boulet of bread. Oh yeah, so nice, fresh, homemade bread. Look at that. Yeah. In case you're wondering how to make this, just check out the recipe. And if you want to cut it, like I'm going to turn this into croutons, get yourself a Wicked Sick razor sharp serrated knife. This is a Mondial NSF certified, and just cut from one end to the other. It's so easy if you've got the right knife that just bites through. Look at that. And I'm just going to make some large croutons here, repeating a few times like this. You can stand it up too, but this knife gives you a really nice angle, allows you to cut layers for cakes, whatever have you. I'm just making a large dice. That's it. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be back, share some more with you. And if you need a knife like this, you know where to get it. Just visit your sponsor right there. Large dice coming up. Yeah, so easy with the right tools. That's what it's all about, people. You're watching these videos so you can gain some skills and get the right tools. This bread into a large dice. Oh, I don't know. Like, share, subscribe. Have a great day and keep cooking. Yeah.